is Ilka Brunner, and I'm from Munich. I work at the Ludwigs-Maximilians University in Munich. The title of my talk will be Topological Quantum Field Theory from Physics to Mathematics and Back. And I will talk about quantum field theory, so that's a big perspective on physics that has been extremely successful. On the other hand, it also gives inspiration to mathematics, and I think it's a nice thing to talk here about while I'm at the Newton Institute, because physics and mathematics have gone a long way together and inspired one subject has given impact onto the other, and I think quantum field theory, despite its being not rigorous and not mathematical and lacking mathematical rigor, it still has influenced many mathematical fields, and this includes number theory and algebraic geometry, and more traditionally it also includes analysis and calculus that